Hi friends, it's Donzella from Ms Donzella Cooks, and today for lunch I made this simple, easy. It's a chicken bacon sandwich, and it's made on a gourmet roll with provolone cheese, seasoned chicken, and bacon bits, and some roasted garlic Parmesan pasta sauce. So let's get started. I'll show you how I made this delicious sandwich. In my pan here, I'm using these gourmet rolls because they hold up good to sauces. They're pretty sturdy. And I also have provolone cheese. I'm going to be using this 4 cheese Mexican blend. You can use any type of cheese you want. And I'm also using this roasted garlic Parmesan sauce. And I cooked my own chicken. I seasoned it with my favorite Mrs. Dash seasonings, no salt because I'm on a low salt diet, low sodium diet. And some garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, a little black pepper. And what I did to melt my cheese, rather than put it in the oven, because if it's a hot summer day and you don't want to turn on your oven, I just melted the cheese in the microwave on my sandwich. So let's get started. And here my bun is browned. So what I'll do is I'll take my pasta sauce and we just spread that on there like so. I'm browning the other side of the bun, but watch it carefully because you don't want your bread to burn. And then I'm going to put my provolone cheese on here. And I'm going to spread my chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, any type of chicken, season it up and shred it like you want to. And put it on there like that. My bun is brown, so let's take it off. That's all it is to it. Very simple. And then what I'll do is add you can add a little more sauce to this if you like. I'll just spread a little bit more on top of the chicken. It's very simple. Like so. And then we'll take our other cheese. You can use any type of cheese that you want. I just happen to have this 4 cheese Mexican blend. So I'm going to sprinkle this all over the top. You want to give it a nice generous amount. And I will put this in the microwave just long enough to melt the cheese. And this is, like I say, a good sandwich to make in the summertime when you don't want to turn on your oven, but you want a hearty sandwich. This is a good one. So I will be right back. We'll heat this in the microwave. And like I said, friend, all you need is some seasoned chicken, some pasta sauce, your favorite seasonings, some outdoor rolls, because these are sturdy, they hold up good. It almost looks like a little mini pizza. So we can see if we cut it a little bit. Let's cut it. There we go. And this is what we have. Let me check my other sandwich. Yeah, so this is really, really a delicious sandwich, and I used bacon bits, seasoned chicken, cheeses of your choice, pasta sauce of your choice, and just brown your bun, some butter, melt some cheese on the top, and you have a delicious sandwich. Okay. And so the sandwich like this is really budget friendly, kid friendly. I didn't use any additional salt because our pasta sauce has a little sodium in it, and I just used my favorite Mrs. Dash. Today I used the chicken, the extra spicy, just a little bit of that, and then the table blend, some garlic powder, onion powder, and then the smoked paprika gives it a nice smoky flavor. Okay, friends, and here you have it. This is what your sandwich looks like once it's all melted. And it's super easy, budget friendly. Most of the stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. And like I said, if you don't have chicken, you can buy rotisserie chicken, shred it up, and season. Season it if you need extra seasoning. But this is it, friends. So thank you for joining me in my kitchen. If you like recipes like this, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Um, Give me a thumbs up and share the video if you know someone else. We're looking for easy, budget-friendly recipes. And again, thank you for joining me in my kitchen at Ms Donzella Cooks. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And thank you again. Have a blessed day.